Hey ladies, welcome back to Fiercely Feminine, where we discuss all things femininity, elegance, and self-improvement. In this 2024 reset video, we'll discuss how to glow up for the new year and share 17 tips to make it your best year yet as a feminine woman. We'll cover feminine goal setting, crafting a New Year's plan, and how to master your feminine glow up for the year ahead. The start of a new year brings a sense of renewal, so it's a good time to channel this boost of motivation into creating positive habits and taking action. So, grab your favorite beverage, find a cozy spot to relax, and without further ado, here are 17 ways to make 2024 your best year yet. 1. Reflect on 2023. Before we decide what we want for the new year and contemplate our aspirations for 2024, take a moment to reflect on the past year. What were your achievements, challenges, and moments of growth? Reflect on and acknowledge both your successes and obstacles. Understanding where you've been can guide you into setting realistic and meaningful goals for the upcoming year. 2. Define your goals. Set clear, specific, and achievable goals for 2024. Break them down into short-term and long-term objectives, whether they are related to personal development, career milestones, relationships, or health and wellness. Having a roadmap will keep you focused and motivated. As a feminine woman, consider goals that align with your personal values, self-expression, and your well-being. 3. Create a goal board. After you've set your goals, and if you haven't already, consider creating a goal board, especially if you're a visual learner. Having your goals visually displayed serves as a helpful reminder of what you're working towards. I recommend selecting a keyword or Bible verse that you want to meditate on throughout the year and placing it at the center of your goal board. For instance, consider the uplifting words of Jeremiah 29 verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Or Psalm 23 verse 6. Surely goodness and mercy will follow me all the days of my life. Choose a verse that resonates with you, position it prominently on your board, and place the board where you'll see it daily, whether on your wall, your phone, or laptop wallpaper. Just remember that ultimately all our blessings come from God. As James 1 verse 17 states, every good gift and every perfect gift is from above. And Romans 11 verse 36 reminds us, everything comes from God, everything exists by His power, and everything is intended for His glory. Goal boards are excellent for serving as reminders of where we want to go, but they're not the end all and be all. As Proverbs 16 verse 9 puts it, a man's mind plans his way, but the Lord directs his steps and establishes them. 4. Cultivate a positive mindset. Your mindset shapes how you perceive your reality. Cultivating a positive mindset, practicing gratitude, and letting go of limiting beliefs contribute to a more optimistic outlook on life, allowing the uplifting side of your femininity to shine. Surround yourself with inspiration from books, podcasts, and people who uplift and motivate you. 5. Prioritize self-care and well-being. Elevate your well-being by establishing a self-care routine. This can include creating a custom skincare routine that suits your needs, engaging in regular exercise, practicing mindfulness, and prioritizing getting quality sleep. Self-care is an essential part of your femininity glow-up. Prioritizing your physical and mental well-being, establishing daily self-care routines, and incorporating activities that promote relaxation will contribute to your glow from within. 6. Cultivate confidence and self-love. Cultivating confidence and self-love goes hand in hand with self-care. Prioritizing self-care helps you radiate confidence and glow from within. As a feminine woman, focus on grooming habits, embracing a positive body image, and learning to practice self-love contributes to a radiant and confident presence. 7. Intentional prayer life. Infuse your days with prayer. Make the intentional decision to pray more in 2024. Life gets busy and sometimes we forget to speak with God throughout the day about what is on our minds and our hearts. Remember that He cares about what is going on in your life and He wants an intimate relationship with you. So try your best to be intentional about your prayer life this year, making it a goal to infuse your days with prayer. We have the incredible privilege of having God as a friend, so nourish your friendship with Jesus. Jeremiah 29 verse 12 to 13 says, Then you will call on me and come and pray to me, and I will listen to you. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart. 8. Cultivate elegance in daily habits. Infuse elegance into your daily life through small, intentional actions. Focus on your posture, refine your speech, and practice good manners. These details will contribute to your overall classiness and sophistication, and give you a graceful and polished presence. 9. Upgrade and elevate your personal style. Revamp your wardrobe with pieces that reflect your personality and make you feel confident and feminine. Invest in classic pieces and accessories that exude elegance. A timeless, curated wardrobe is a powerful tool for expressing your femininity. Upgrading your personal style is a key element of glowing up. For a feminine woman, this may involve refining your wardrobe with pieces that reflect your style, embracing colors and textures that make you feel confident, and paying attention to details that add elegance to your overall look. 10. Continuous growth and learning. The pursuit of becoming a better version of yourself involves continuous learning and growth. Dedicate time to continuous learning, attend workshops, read books, or take online courses that align with your interests and goals. This not only enhances your knowledge, but also adds depth and richness to your personality. As a feminine woman, invest in intellectual pursuits, attend different types of classes, and engage in activities that contribute to your personal and feminine development. 11. Exploring new hobbies and interests. In addition to learning and growing, explore new hobbies and interests that cultivate your femininity. It's time to find activities that you're passionate about and express your femininity by embracing them. Whether it involves engaging in creative activities, acquiring new skills, or immersing yourself in pursuits that bring joy and fulfillment. Stay tuned for an upcoming video where I'll share insights on feminine hobbies and activities to explore in the new year, which are not only fun, but will also contribute to the cultivation of your femininity. 12. Build a support system. Surround yourself with a supportive and empowering community. Connect with like-minded individuals who share your values and aspirations. A strong support system is invaluable on your femininity journey, as well as on your journey to personal and professional success. 13. Nurture your relationships. As part of your glow up journey, you have to nurture your relationships. Just as we seek a support system for ourselves, it's equally important to remember to also be that support system for others. Strengthen connections with loved ones, foster meaningful friendships, and regularly check in on your friends. A simple message, a thoughtful card, or small gestures can go a long way. Remember that to have a friend, you must be a friend. These positive connections will contribute to your overall well-being and femininity. 14. Master time management. Efficiently managing your time is crucial for achieving your goals. Prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and eliminate distractions. This will not only boost your productivity, but also provide a sense of accomplishment. 15. Celebrate achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Rewarding yourself for milestones reached reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated throughout the year. 16. Cultivate feminine energy. Glowing up for the new year offers a chance to reconnect with and nurture your feminine energy. This involves embracing your nurturing qualities, intuition, and the unique aspects of your femininity that make you feel empowered and confident. Explore the different things that make you feel the most feminine and continue incorporating them into your routine. 17. Keep Jesus at the center. And most importantly, whether it's your finances, relationships, trips and travels, or hobbies, whatever it may be, keep Jesus at the center. This year, make it a priority to develop your relationship with God. Ask Him what He wants you to do and where He wants you to be. Prioritize seeking God's guidance and listening to Him regarding His plans for you. Pray for wisdom and discernment to hear His voice. Give thanks to God in all things and do everything to the glory of God. As 1 Corinthians 10 verse 31 says, "Therefore, whether you eat or drink or whatever you do, do it all for the glory of God." Remember, the process of glowing up is a personal and ongoing journey. It's about embracing positive change, setting intentions aligned with your values, and nurturing the aspects of yourself that contribute to a more vibrant and fulfilled life. Approach it with self-love, celebrate small victories, and enjoy the journey of becoming the best version of yourself. I hope you find these tips helpful, and remember, 2024 is a brand new canvas for you to express your femininity. Embrace the journey, set intentions, and let your glow radiate. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own femininity resolutions. Here's to a year of grace and growth. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay fiercely feminine.